Okay.
So this is
Okay.
case number U 557-23220. People versus Marlon Luron Parham. Defendant is charged with obstructing a streetcar for the Woodward Q line. Today's the date and time set for pretrial, I believe, in this matter. And we have an offer from the city attorney for a 3-month delayed sentencing. Good morning, Mr. Falk.
Good morning, Your Honor. My client wishes to avail himself that offer.
So, good morning, sir. Can you state your name for the record?
Marlon Duran Parham.
And Mr. Parham, you understand if I accept your plea, you've given up the right to have a trial either by judge or jury?
Yes.
Understand you're giving up a number of rights associated with trial.
Yes.
Has anybody promised you anything to make you plead today that I do not know about?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone threaten you in any way?
No, Your Honor.
Do you recall, sir, being in the area of Woodward and were you, is this Montclair? Or Woodward in Baltimore?
I'm not sure the size. I know it was Woodward, maybe 75.
Right, and I can't really read the officer's writing.
We'll stipulate Detroit, Your Honor.
Woodward,
Okay,
is
thank
this Woodward and Montcalm?
Okay. And that's in the city of Detroit, according to Mr. Faulkner. And so what is it you were doing on that day and time that causes you to plead guilty?
Well, Your Honor, I was working for Lyft, and I pulled up to the side to pick up some passengers. And I didn't know that I was on I guess half the vehicle was on the train track or whatever it was, and I was unaware actually at the time.
Okay. Are you satisfied, Mr. Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
And when you say train track, you mean the Q line, is that right?
Yes.
And Your Honor, if I may, Tamika Horn with the City of Detroit, P70303. We would also extend either the 3-month delayed sentence or will dismiss upon payment of fines and costs.
We'll take the second one.
I'm sure you will. So, Mr. Parham, do you have $150 today?
Not on me right now, Your Honor.
Okay, you can pay online with a debit or credit card, or if you're familiar with DivDat kiosks, you can pay at a DivDat kiosk. Just tell me when you can do that, because once you do, I'm gonna dismiss the case and close it.
On the first, Your Honor, when I get paid.
So let's say March 2nd then.
Okay, that's fine.
So if the defendant complies, he need not return.
And you say I can go to the kiosk and pay?
So it's DivDat, capital D-I-V, capital D-A-T. Those are kiosks located throughout the metropolitan area. There's actually one outside of the courthouse.
Okay.
If you look online, you probably can find one closer to you or somewhere where you don't have to pay for parking to pay. And the DivDat kiosk accepts cash, debit, credit cards. So
Okay.
you can either do that or pay online.
Okay, I'll probably just come to the kiosk, make it easier. So is there
Okay.
any certain numbers that I need to put in for that, or how does that work now?
You know
Because I
what?
never
Let me
did
tell
it.
you, if you have your driver's license, you can scan your driver's license and it'll pull up your ticket.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay? You have any questions, sir?
Nope, not at this time, Your Honor. Thank you.
I'm gonna end our call. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Faulkner. I'm not freeing you yet. All right, I'm gonna admit Ms. Smith and the officer and the interpreter and Mr. Perez. So we're still on YouTube Live. I'm gonna call the case. And I'm gonna first, Ms. Cox, can you raise your right hand? Do you promise to faithfully translate from English into Spanish and from Spanish into English to the best of your ability today?
I do, Your Honor.
This is case number SP 112-19101. People versus Rodrigo Philadelphio Perez. And defendant is charged on that matter, accident, drove without due care or caution. SP 112-19112, no insurance. SP 112-19111, drive while license not valid. I have a recommendation.
Señor Pérez, llamaron a su caso diciendo que los cargos en su contra es haber manejado sin cuidado, no tener seguro y no tener licencia.
So I have a recommendation from the people that they would, on a stip to probable cause on all three counts, move the court to dismiss these. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303. After speaking with my officer, we believe that is the best best course of action at this time.
La jueza dijo que ellos tenían una oferta del Estado para quitar todos los cargos porque no hay posible razón o justificación seria de que fuera usted. Y eso dijo la fiscal, que después de hablar con el policía, el oficial de policía, ellos creen que eso es lo mejor para proseguir involucrando a todas las partes del caso, a todas las personas.
Okay.
So I am dismissing them. Does he have questions you want to ask him that?
Ella le va a quitar todos los cargos. La jueza preguntó si usted tenía alguna pregunta.
No, todos, yo creo que está bien, le agradezco mucho a ella, pero yo estoy dispuesto a lo que ella diga y le agradezco mucho, pero está bien todo.
Everything is fine. I am under whatever you decide, Your Honor, but I am very grateful and thank you very much.
All right, so counsel and officer, thank you for coming, and we're gonna end the calls with everybody now. Have a great day and a good weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you. Que estén bien, nos va a desconectar la jueza. Gracias a todos.
Ok, gracias a usted también, cuídense mucho.
Gracias. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Your Honor, I am not needed in any other case today.
This is it for us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Have a good weekend.